Hello, my dear learners. I'm here. Today we are going to talk about a very common problem that most of the students face. They understand English very well, but they cannot speak English fluently and confidently. Why does this happen? The answer is very simple. You know, English is not just about grammar rules, tenses, and phrasal verbs. English is a language, which means it's something that you use to communicate. But somewhere along the way, we have made English all about grammar, all about writing perfect answers in an exam. And that is why most of the students, they become really good at exams. But when it comes to speaking English in real-life situations, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to speak English. But today, in this video, I am going to show you how you can master speaking English in 30 days. How can you go from this level to this level in just 1 month? That is what we are going to discover in this video. So please watch this video till the end so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. And promise me that you will implement the tips that I share with you in this video. Promise me that you will not just watch this video and ignore the tips. Please implement them in your life. Okay, promise me. So let's get started. The biggest problem that you may face while speaking English is translating English in your mind from your native language. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, whatever it is. First thing that you have to do is stop translating. When you are speaking English, when you are trying to speak English, try to think in English. Try to think in English. Don't translate. For example, if you want to say that I'm going to the mall, don't think I plus am plus going plus the plus mall. Think I'm going to the mall. Just have that sentence in your mind and just speak it out. When you think in English, you will start speaking fluently and confidently. Okay? The second thing that you have to do is start talking to yourself in English. You may feel shy doing that, but trust me, there is no shame in that. Talking to yourself in English is one of the best methods to improve your spoken English. And I am telling you, if you want to become fluent in English, you will have to talk to yourself in English. At least for 10 minutes every day, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing, what you have done, and what you are going to do in English. The third thing that you have to do is record yourself while speaking in English. Record yourself while speaking in English. You may feel awkward doing that, but trust me, this is one of the best methods to improve your spoken English. Record yourself while speaking in English for 1 hour every day for 30 days. After that, listen to that recording and see where you were wrong. See where you can improve yourself. This is one of the best methods to improve your spoken English. This will make you aware of all the mistakes that you make while speaking English. And once you become aware of those mistakes, you can easily correct them. Now, the fourth tip that I have for you is, don't worry about grammar. Grammar is really important, but don't worry about grammar while speaking. If you make a grammatical mistake, don't worry about it. Even native speakers make mistakes while speaking. Even native speakers don't speak in perfect sentences. They speak whatever comes to their mind. The only thing that you have to do is speak. Speak whatever comes to your mind. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. Correct yourself and move on. The fifth tip that I have for you is watch English conversations on YouTube. Watch English conversations on YouTube and try to mimic them. Try to mimic the way they speak. Try to understand the flow of their conversation. This will help you develop a conversational flow. You will be able to speak English more fluently and confidently. If you want to learn English faster and speak English fluently and confidently, then implement these tips. And I promise you, in 30 days, you will see a huge difference in your English. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends and family members who want to learn English. And if you have any doubts regarding English, please write to me in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply to your comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.